Period 6. This is Mr. Genorio talking about the week of Monday, April 18th through Friday, April 22nd or 23rd. I can't count. You have to watch all of my lecture videos as if you were homesick between now and the time we return to class. I cannot afford to lose an entire week of instruction because of ISATs. Now, I don't have any homework for you. The last bit of chapter survey work for the year was due today, and I hope that even though we don't meet in class, you will be able to stop by my classroom and turn your work in this week, if possible, as soon as possible. The only other thing you've got, aside from incidental movie worksheets and such, is the case study. So please take the time to watch every lecture video this week. You are going to be expected to know what I say. If I have any quizzes or tests on it, I'm not going to give you extra time. And I do want your homework due today. I'll also probably be distributing the chapter quiz and having you do it by printing it out and then doing it on paper and then bringing it to my classroom. Or you can stop by during study lab and get a pass and do the quiz during study lab tomorrow or later this week. Ideally, sooner is better than later. Thank you very much. If you have questions, come see me. Take care.